Warren Buffett dumps $13.3 billion in stocks. Moving into cash may indicate that Warren Buffett is preparing for a potential decline in risk-on asset values. Should Bitcoin investors get ready for a potential stock market crash given that Bitcoin has increased 70% year-to-date and is associated with equities? Welcome to the Cryptonomy Times channel, where we aim to keep you updated in crypto and its economy. Here you can learn the recent changes and topics that impact the very crypto world you are passionate about. If you like our content and wish to find the latest updates, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, as this would help our channel grow, which helps us help you. Let's crash into the video. According to the most recent quarterly earnings report, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway raised its exposure to cash and U.S. Treasury bonds in Q1 and dumped $13.30 billion worth of equities. It spent $2.9 billion on shares of other publicly traded companies and $4.4 billion on the purchase of its own stock. Given that the company owns a variety of entities, including an American railroad, electric utilities, and retail companies, the market views Berkshire Hathaway's performance as a key indicator for determining the state of the U.S. economy. However, the 92-year-old billionaire, who in the past has attributed Berkshire Hathaway's success to the expansion of the U.S. economy, is no longer optimistic. The majority of our businesses will report lower earnings this year than last year, Buffett said last weekend at an event. The incredible period for the U.S. economy has been coming to an end over the past 6 months, he added. In the first quarter of 2012, Berkshire increased its cash reserves from $2 billion to $130.60 billion, the highest amount since the end of 2021, when the bear market in equities began. Due to higher interest rates near 5%, the company also keeps a significant portion of its capital in short-term treasury bills and bank deposits. In other words, while the U.S. banking problem, such as PacWest Bancorp and Western Alliance Bancorp, continues to develop, Buffett is preparing for a probable stock market crash. The likelihood of a worldwide recession rising also raises the probability of downward pressure for Bitcoin, whose 100-week correlation with the Nasdaq hit its peak level of roughly 0.42%. Additionally, according to Mike McGlone, a Bloomberg intelligence analyst, the price of Bitcoin would probably be the initial indication of a stock market catastrophe. Bitcoin could pace declines for risk assets. If the worst isn't over for risk assets, Bitcoin may lead the way lower, noted McGlone, adding, Bitcoin is up about 70% in 2023 to May 2nd versus 20% for the stock index. And those are maybe bounces within broader bear markets. The Fed is still tightening in May, and is more inclined to stay the course unless risk assets fall to ease inflation, which may portend a lose-lose. There aren't many expectations for the U.S. Consumer Price Index report on May 10th in terms of a short-term decline in inflation in April. According to a survey by Bloomberg, economists expect core CPI to remain unchanged at around 5%, meaning more rate hikes ahead. On the other hand, a sharp decline in inflation will probably lead the Fed to think about pausing or, in the worst-case scenario, reducing interest rates. Currently, data from Fed funds futures indicates that at least 5 rate cuts between May 2023 and January 2024 are probable, which may put Buffett's risk-off strategy in jeopardy. Could Bitcoin price fall below $25,000 again? Over the previous week, Bitcoin's price has dropped by over 6%. Reaching a low of $27,350 on May 9th. Notably, this has caused BTC's price to fall below its 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, the red wave, which is located close to $27,950. Based on the historical performance of the level, Bitcoin bears are currently looking to sell at a price of $27,000. What do you think about Warren Buffett's big move and the potential future and stability of Bitcoin? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Cryptonomy Time.